This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and our telephone number 407-572-4118. This is a house managed by Housing Group Investment. If you want to rent your house, check out that website, housinggroupinvestment.com, or call Mindy 407-745-9408. That group rent houses in Davenport, Champions Gate, Providence Golf Club. And they hire us to do the final cleaning before the new tenant come. This is a beautiful, big, awesome house. Pretty view right here in Davenport, Florida. And this house is really gorgeous, big, a lot of surface for clean, walk-in closets. But this video is not actually to show you or market this house because someone already rent the house. And you know us, anyhousecleaning.com. You can check out our Facebook. And we took a lot of time cleaning this house. The person in charge, the management company, asked us to do a really good job as always. Be detailed because they are really concerned about cleaning all the edges of the bathroom, doors, inside, outside cabinets. People will think that cleaning is easy, and it can be easy if you're sloppy, but we are not. So we take our time and we warranty our services. We use this kind of vacuum. This vacuum is a ProTeam HEPA backpack vacuum. The owner, the new tenant, actually of this house, mentioned that he needed to clean in that double ceiling edges, and we did. Well, they did, the crew. It's dark upstairs, but let me show you. It's clean. It's dark already. It's almost 6:30, and the girls are still working. This is the second floor. A lot of light fixtures, vents, baseboards, double molding in the downstairs. AC vents, a lot of windows, blinds. Doors, light fixtures, electric sockets. This is another room, another bathroom. Chiara did a really good job. She's really detailed, cleaning up top of the light fixtures. Did you see the shower? She did an amazing, great job. Fantastic. I'm proud of her. I'm proud that they are part of Any House Cleaning. And thank you, Mindy, for hiring us. I know that you like to provide the best houses for your clients. This is another room. Blinds, vertical blinds. So it took us like 6 hours or so to do the cleaning. Chiara has finished the kitchen, mopping. She did on top of the cabinets inside and outside. It was some grease on those beautiful white cabinets. A lot of cabinets in the kitchen. This is the double molding that they clean. Pretty much a lot of blinds, and the blinds were really dusty, and it takes time to clean it, to have a good shape. Again, let me see if I can do a zoom from here. You can contact them, the housing, I'm sorry, Kiara. Okay. Housing Group Investment. Mindy, 407-745-9408. She will look for you the right house that will fit your needs and your family. Check their website, housinggroupinvestments.com. And you know who I am. I'm Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. You can contact at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching us, and follow us in YouTube and in Facebook.